Hi everybody, my name is Ashley Hubbard. Welcome to this video. In this video, I will teach you how to make better conversation with a girl. Let's get into it. And just very quickly, do make sure you subscribe to this channel. I am uploading videos very often and I don't want you to miss out. This channel is about dating skills and advice for men to attract women. I promise to help you improve your skills in this area. Please give the video a like, that motivates me to make more for you. Thank you very much. Let's get started. Number 1, ask the girl some questions. You want to show her that you're interested in her while at the same time deciding whether she's really worth your interest. A great question will make her think, laugh and like you all at the same time. Avoid yes and no questions. A question like, did you like the new movie that came out this weekend, will get you either a yes or a no, but may not launch into a meaningful conversation. Instead, ask her what other movies she's seen and why she likes them. This type of question will get a much longer answer from her. Girls often like guys to make the first move, so instead of waiting for her to ask you questions, I recommend you be proactive and do the asking first. Once she's answered your question, you can nod and then provide your own perspective. You want a balanced conversation in which you find out what she's all about while also sharing parts of yourself. Find out what she's passionate about. If you like this girl, then chances are you will find something about her really fascinating. You could ask her why she likes what she likes or why she thinks what she thinks. Ask her something that you genuinely want to learn more about her instead of asking questions just to get her to talk. If you're insincere, she'll know and your conversation will fall dead in the water. People love to talk about themselves, so if you find out what she's passionate about, the conversation will go naturally and easily. This is the easiest way to build a connection. Number 2, keep the conversation light. Don't talk about any controversial subjects or anything that she might find uncomfortable. Also, you don't want to gossip about other people because she might think that you're not genuinely nice. My advice is to use your sense of humour. Keep the conversation light and test the waters before you say anything that she might think is mean or offensive. You can practice funny stories. More than simply jokes, people love hearing stories about funny things that have happened to you. So keep track of funny or entertaining things that have happened to you within the last few days and rehearse the story you want to tell with friends. I recommend you keep up on the latest celebrity news and what's new in movies and music. When you know what's going on out there in the world, in the music and the movies world, you'll always have something to like to talk about. Plus, you might just impress her with the number of things that you know. Is the advice I've given you here making sense to you? Please leave a comment below the video. Number 3, try and keep the attention on the girl in the conversation. Let her know that you think she's important. Don't be cagey about turning the spotlight on you. Instead, focus it mainly on her. Turn off your cell phone while you're having a conversation with a girl. If you go outside to take a call, you may come back and find that she's moved on. If you run into friends, you can introduce your friends to her, but remain focused on your conversation. Try to send non-verbal signals to your friends, letting them know that they need to talk to you another time. Now, the next thing to do, make sure you click the link below the video and it will take you through to the website for the 10 Hook Lead System program. I recommend you take a look at the 10 Hook Lead System program because the program will show you how to improve your conversation skills with women and everyone you meet. On the website, you can get instant access to the program online so you can learn from home in your own time. So make sure you click the link below the video and you go through to the website and have a look at the program. Because as I say, this program will teach you valuable conversation skills with women and everyone you meet. I recommend you check it out when you are ready. Just click the link below the video to find out more. Thank you very much for watching and make sure you subscribe. You can subscribe now by clicking the big red button below the video. Please do hit the like button and give the video a thumbs up. That shows me you enjoy the content. Can you please share this video with anyone you know who may find it helpful? Is there a specific video that you want me to create for you? Please let me know in the comments section below the video. Please join our Facebook community. You can find the Facebook link in the description below the video. Thank you very much for watching and supporting the channel, and I wish you all the best for your dating success. Have a wonderful day.